Good evening, friends. Today is my first English clip. I want to tell you something, the report in detail that how this situation in Afghanistan has come and it has reached, how the America has played a game and in some way he has deceived India, because if you see, the maximum investment was carried by India in Afghanistan within 2 or 3 years. Now here is a series of the incidents. On 29 February 2020, Trump administration has signed a secret deal with Taliban. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother, who was supposed to be the president of Taliban government, according to the agreement, is what agreed that USA would pull out all troops by 31st May 2021. Taliban would not attack US soldiers till then, which is a reality. Taliban stood by the deal. When Joe Biden became president in January 2021, he was reminded by Taliban of the deal and told his representative that Taliban will start attacking on US. Biden administration signed another agreement, and in that it was told that by September 2021 all the American forces will vacate the Afghanistan and a national government will be formed by Taliban, and who will be the main partner. However, Ashraf Ghani was unwilling to resign. He thought that he can fight the Taliban with his army, and this is true. The Taliban are only maximum 75,000 to 80,000, and the Afghanistan has having a army of 3.5 lakhs, with having big air force from America and many helicopters and aeroplanes, advanced machinery and equipments. You have seen they all have been seized by the Taliban. At Doha talk in the month of May and June 2021, Taliban threatened that they would begin their attack by 1st September 2021 if Ghani will not resign. Then USA changed its deadline and kept it the last of August 2021, and it may be 31st August. But Ashraf Ghani still refused to go. However, he was collecting the money because, as per his car driver, his bodyguard, he has gone with around more than 1100 crore rupees with him. All the money was in cash, and with the 4 vehicles they have accompanied Ashraf Ghani. But Ashraf Ghani's refusal, he was thinking to teach a lesson to USA. Hence, USA taught a lesson to Ghani, and suddenly he pulled all the army from the Afghanistan before 25 days deadline. But this was a mistake from American, because it was so early and in so much hurry that America has lost. It may be intentionally they have left the billions of dollars equipments, fighting equipment in Taliban. They have been captured by Taliban. You are watching on many news channels. Meanwhile, Ashraf Ghani negotiator Abdullah and the ex-president Hamid Karzai switch to their loyalties towards Taliban. In between, many army chiefs and other generals were brought under the tactics knowledge of USA. Hence, Afghan forces were collapsed. Ashraf Ghani was denied asylum in USA. That is why he is in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother is an American sympathizer and he is likely to be the new president. He has been in Pakistan jail from 2010 to 18 and he was released on the request of US. He was arrested by the Pakistan in 2010 when he tried to negotiate peace with the Afghan President Hamid Karzai. That time he was the member of the interim council of Taliban. Ahmad Masood of Panjshir Valley is a favorite of Russia and not American friend. Amarullah Saleh was made a compromise vice president by Ashraf Ghani to keep Panjshir Valley warlord amused. USA could not have given weapon to them. Hence, they are asking weapon from the Western world. You must have seen us. Fact is that the USA wants a stalemate in Afghanistan and Abdul Ghani Khan's brother is their man. He will be president as per the secret deal. And that is why China has invited and he has talked with him. Our friends, please do not go. What is the visible today? A lot of remains hidden. Stories are below the surface. It is now coming out that USA deliberately vacated Afghanistan to entice China into it so as to reduce pressure on Taiwan. It is yet to be seen whether China bites the bait, though it has met Taliban delegation. Some say USA has promoted Taliban to send its delegation. Whatever how China behaves yet to be seen. Do not go by the Pakistan and Indian news media. A bigger game is on the card. It is the game of superpower weights, and Blink first will be known only after a year or so. Because this is a game of superpowers, you cannot know, you cannot understand the strategy immediately. Hence, don't believe Indian. But this has happened in India. There's many Taliban supporters, they have surfaced and they are out. And the Indian peoples are awakening. Russia is also watching from the sideline to ensure that two giants fight in Taiwan. Afghan imbroglio and it should regain its lost status. Now friends, consider where does India fit in. It is a homework for brilliant intellectuals in the group. And to some extent this was good for India because the elections are due in 5 states. And there are so many what you call the secular anti-national people, in Hindi the Gaddar people, they have come out. Then they don't think about India. They eat and nourish in India but pray past Pakistan and Afghanistan. Be alert, good night and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.